Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. Question number 1. What are the different types of guided media available? First, open wire. Second, twisted pair. Third, coaxial cable. And fourth, optical fiber. Next question. What is network security? Network security is a broad term that covers a multitude of technologies, devices, and processes. In its simplest term, it is a set of rules and configurations designed to protect the integrity, confidentiality, and accessibility of computer networks and data using both software and hardware technologies. Next, differentiate between RAM and ROM. RAM, which stands for random access memory, and ROM, which stands for read-only memory, are both present in your computer. RAM is volatile memory that temporarily stores the files you are working on. ROM is non-volatile memory that permanently stores instructions for your computer. Fourth, what are the strengths and weaknesses of a computer? The strength of using a computer are speed, high storage capacity, versatility, accuracy, and reliability. Weakness, computer is zero IQ and lacking decision making. Computers cannot decide their own. They do not possess this power, which is a great asset of human being. Next, introduction to email. Answer key, reply all, quoting, compose, then webmail, Google, lacks personal touch, may contain virus, may contain virus. 7th, Gmail, Yahoo or Reddit. So students, today I am going to teach you entrepreneurial skills. What are entrepreneurial skills? Entrepreneurship is an individual's ability to turn ideas into action. It includes creativity, innovation, and risk taking, as well as the ability to plan and manage projects in order to achieve objectives. It is seen as vital to promoting innovation, competitiveness, and economic growth. Fostering entrepreneurial spirit supports the creation of new firms and business growth. However, entrepreneurship skills also provide benefit regardless of whether a person sees their future as starting a business. They can be used across people's personal and working lives as they encompass creativity, initiative, tenacity, teamwork, understanding of risk, and a sense of responsibility. What is self-management? Self-management, which is also referred to as self-control or self-regulation, is the ability to regulate one's emotions, thoughts, and behaviors effectively in different situations. This includes managing stress, dealing gratification, motivating oneself, and setting and working toward personal and academic goals. Students with strong self-management skills arrive to class prepared, pay attention, follow directions, allow others to speak without interruption, and work independently with focus. Self-control is children as young as age 5 can predict important life outcomes such as high school completion, physical health, income, single parenthood, substance dependence, and criminal involvement. In the term of business, a business is an organization or an economic system in which goods or services are exchanged either for money or for other goods and services. Types of business based on their activity. First, service business. Second, merchandising business. Third, manufacturing business. And fourth, hybrid business. Now, first I will discuss about service business. In business terms, a service business is a transaction in which there is no transfer of physical goods from the seller to the buyer. The products in service are intangible in nature as they have no physical form that can be touched or seen. Accounting, banking, cleaning, consultancy, education, insurance, expertise, medical treatment, transportation, and repairs are all examples of such intangible products that service provides. Skill and experience play an important role in the service provider means seller, attending to and satisfying the requirements of the service customer. Example: beauty salon, repair shops, law firms, banks, schools. Merchandising business, simply known as buy and sell or trading businesses. Merchandising businesses buy products in bulk at wholesale prices and sell them in smaller units at retail prices to the direct consumer. The merchandisers do not bring about any change in the product. They make a profit by selling the goods at a higher price than the price at which they buy them in bulk. Wholesale price is the price of goods purchased in bulk and is lower as is consists of less profit margin. Retail means selling of goods in small lots. The goods are sold to the final customer for consumption and not for the purpose of resale. Retailers are the middleman between wholesalers and customers. They purchase goods from wholesalers in bulk and sell it to the ultimate consumer in small lots. Retail prices of goods sold in retail are relatively high because of additional cost of advertisement, rent of premises, salary to the workers, electricity expenses, etc. And the profit margin is too high. Example, grocery stores, chemists, automobile dealers, mobile phone shops, fruit vendors. Homework for today is define entrepreneurial skills. What do you understand by self-management? What is QR code? Why is it useful? What is server? Thank you.